How to turn on or turn off prevent lock to end call on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we go down and tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down, then tap on touch. From here, we scroll down and then tap on prevent lock to end call. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off this feature. And with this particular feature, it said that prevent the side button from ending the current call. So if you are on a call, you can simply just press on the side button to end the call. And that's it. If you don't like to use it, you can switch it off. Finally, swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.